Hey, it's Terry from Normal Gadgets. I'm glad you stopped by. Say, listen, I've just been sitting here in my den here at Normal Gadgets, reading the paper, the local newspaper, looking for great deals. I'm looking for a deal on, Labor Day, after Labor Day, and I can't find any in the paper. And guess what? We've got one right here. Did you know that we often have televisions that we fix for sale? This one is a 65-inch LG 4K smart TV, normally at $500, but for the next 2 weeks, we're offering $50 off. First come, first serve. And we have other TVs. We have smaller TVs for $99. We have tablets, we have smartphones, we have a lot of things. So we're not just a place to come and get your gadget fixed. We can help fix your items, get you back, fix your viruses, but we also have great deals every now and then. Come check us out. I'm gonna check the paper back out.